Hey guys, this is CryptoCrayze, and once again I'm hitting you up with that latest news as at the 18th of April 2017. Now, XVG Verge has currently undergone quite some trauma in terms of price. We can see that they previously were baselined around about 0.95, 0.1 BTC, 0.1 BTC-ish kind of in value. They had about a 1.2 million market cap, and all of a sudden what we then go on to see is like quite a big rise in price leading up to about the 17th of April or so, and all of a sudden what must go up suddenly comes crashing down. The price literally topples. The reason for this was because they were essentially bragging about a huge partnership that was bound to form between them and some unnamed partner. And, people were buying the rumors. The price shot up. But what then happened was, as soon as they released the news, their price came tumbling down. They initially were saying that they were going to partner up with, rumors had it that they were going to partner up with PayPal. And they kept, everyone kept saying it's going to be PayPal, it's going to be PayPal. That would have been a wonderful, and it was going to be big for the crypto universe. Lo and behold, it was Pornhub. That's crap. That's definitely not PayPal. And so the price comes tumbling down. So yeah, be careful in terms of what you're invested in. If anything, buy the rumor, sell the news. That's probably the safest way in this kind of market. That said, if you're interested in anything else I have to say, like, subscribe, and hopefully we'll keep on making that moolah. Thanks again. This is CryptoCrayze. Peace out.